In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Facebook ads receipt in just 5 minutes. Facebook's Business Manager is a powerful tool for anyone running ads on the platform. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the accounts of several large clients, keeping track of your expenditures is crucial. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of locating and downloading your Facebook ads receipts step by step. Trust me, it's simpler than you might think. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Facebook's Business Manager. This is your hub for everything related to advertising on Facebook. So it's essential to familiarize yourself with its interface. Once you've reached the Business Manager page, your next step is to log in. Look for the Login with Facebook button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Facebook credentials, assuming you're not already logged in through your browser. This is a seamless process that should take no more than a few seconds. After logging in, you'll likely see a list of accounts you have access to. Here you must select the account associated with the receipts you're looking for. This might seem straightforward, but if you manage multiple accounts, be sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. With your account selected, direct your attention to the lower left panel of the screen. You'll see a button marked Ads. Clicking here will take you deeper into the advertising section of the Business Manager. This is where all the magic happens, from creating new ad campaigns to measuring their performance. But today we're focusing on the financial aspect. Within this section, look for Ads Manager. Clicking this will redirect you to an overview of your current and past ad campaigns. However, our goal today is to locate your ad spending receipts, so we need to delve a bit deeper. The next step is to navigate to your Billing and Payment section. This can be easily done by following the provided link, or you might find it in your Ads Manager's menu, often listed under Settings or Billing. This section houses all the financial transactions related to your ad account, making it the go-to place for receipt management. Once inside Billing and Payments, you'll see a list of transactions. Each transaction will have its own unique transaction ID, a critical piece of information for tracking your expenditures. Find the transaction for which you need the receipt. This might require a bit of scrolling if you have a long list of transactions, but the effort is worth it. Click on the transaction ID of the receipt you're interested in. This action will bring up a detailed view of that specific transaction. Here you'll find the most crucial button of all: Download PDF. Yes, downloading your receipt is as simple as clicking this button. Once clicked, your receipt will be downloaded to your computer in a PDF format, making it easy to view, print, or forward to your accounting team. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to obtaining your Facebook ad receipts. A couple of things to remember: keep a regular schedule for downloading your receipts to avoid a last-minute rush during tax season or financial audits. It also helps to label and organize your receipts in a dedicated folder on your computer or cloud storage, ensuring they're easy to find when you need them. In conclusion, navigating Facebook's Business Manager to get your ad receipts is a relatively simple process that can be mastered with just a little practice. By following the steps we walked through today, you'll be well on your way to keeping better track of your ad spending on one of the world's largest social media platforms. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to streamline your digital marketing efforts and maximize your online impact.